Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve this nice algebraic equation. The equation we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y is equals to 10 and 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of y is equals to 8. In this given equation I am going to find out the x value and the y value. So let's start our solution. The first step, I was going to change this for all in the form of power. So 2 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of y is equals to 10. And the other one, 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of y is equals to. Now I was going to use the exponential rule. A to the power of m and whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of n and whole to the power of m. So here I was going to exchange the power. So I was going to write 2 to the power of x and whole to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of y and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 10, and this will be turned to 2 to the power of x and whole to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of y and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 8. Now we have 2 to the power of x and y is common here. So we're going to let 2 to the power of x is equals to a and 2 to the power of y is equals to b. So this equation 1 and this equation 2 turns to a square plus b square is equals to 10 and a square minus b square is equals to 8. Now I'm going to add up both these equations. So it will be equals to 2a square and this will get cancelled and here this will be equals to 18. Now here this 2 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both this side. Here this and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled by 9. So a to the power of 2 is equals to 9. Now I want to remove the power, so I'm going to take root both this side. So this and this get cancelled and here a is equals to plus minus 3. Now a is equals to positive 3 and a is equals to negative 3. And this negative 3 is rejected. And why it's rejected? Because 2 to the power of x is equals to a as we let. So we can say that 2 to the power of x should be greater than 0. And how? If I'm going to put any power of x for suppose 0 I've started, so it will be equals to 1. So I can say that 2 to the power of x should be greater than 0. Therefore, we can say that a should be greater than 0. So that's why this a is equals to negative 3 is rejected. So this is the a value. Now I was going to find out the b value here. Now I was going to rewrite both these equation again. We have a square plus b square is equals to 10. A square minus b square is equals to 8. Now I was going to subtract both the equations. So I was going to change the signs here. So here this will be equals to, this will get cancelled. And this will be 2b square is equals to plus minus minus. So I will get 2. Now here 2b square is equals to 2. Now this 2 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. This and this get cancelled. B square is equals to 1. Now I want to remove this power, so I'm going to take root both this side. Here this and this get cancelled, so b is equals to positive negative 1. Now we have again b is equals to positive 1 and b is equals to negative 1. Again here, this b is equals to negative 1 is rejected. Why? Because 2 to the power of y is equals to b. So here y to the power of y should be greater than 0, because as I told you, if I'm going to put the y value at 0, it will be equals to 1. So here b should be greater than 0. So that's why it's going to be rejected. And the b value we have, that is, now I was going to recall 2 to the power of x is equals to a, and the a value we have, that is 3. Now we're going to plug in the a value, that is 3, and here I will going to take log both the side. Now I'm going to apply the logarithm rule here. Log of a to the power of b can be written as b log of a. So this will turn to x log of 2 is equals to log of 3. Now here this log of 2 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. This and this get cancelled. Therefore, this x is equals to log of 3 over log of 2. Now we're going to use another logarithm rule, that is log of a over log of b can be written as log base b. Here this denominator turn to the base, and this will I'm going to write with this. So this can be written as x is equals to log base 2 of 3. So this is our x value. Now I will going to recall our another expression, 2 to the power of y is equals to b, and our b value is positive 1. So here this 2 to the power of y is equals to 1, and here I can write a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So I can write 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So in replacement of this 1, I can write 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of y is equals to 2 to the power of 0. And we have the same basis. We can equate the powers. Y is equals to 0. Now here we get the y value, that is 0. Now it's time to verify my answer. The equation we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of y is equals to 10. You can take any of the equations. So I'm going to take the first expression. Now here the x value we have 4 to the power of log base 2 of 3 plus 4 to the power of 0 is equals to 10. Now here I will going to split this 2 times bracket whole to the power of log base 2 of 3 plus here in replacement of 4 to the power of 0, we can write 1 is equals to 10. Now we have the exponential rule. A times b whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So this will turn to 2 to the power of log base 2 of 3 times 2 to the power of log base 2 of 3, and here is equals to 10. This I'm going to take to the right hand side, so it will turn to negative. Now we have another logarithm rule, that is b log base b of a is equals to this a. Same as here, we have the same base here, and here we have the same base. Same bases here and here. So this 2 to the power of log base 2 of 3 here is equals to 3 times, here this will be equals to 3 is equals to this 10 minus 1 is 9. So here 9 is equals to 9. So here the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x and y we find out is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.